So I'm showing a procedure how to make my DIY dart flights, practice dart flights. So I'm using Jungle Juice packaging here. Uh, Actually, the size is enough by 3 inch by 3 inch is enough already. So this is almost 4. Here, we fold it like this. Now I use the handle of the scissors to press it firmly. There. Then you align it. The folds should be well aligned. Here, there. And again fold it. Fold it. I did not align it very well. I mean from edge, because you should see the fold clearly if it is aligned there. And again, we press it firmly. Now, we already have a crosswise fold. Then, on one side, the diagonal side, excuse, we will align it again, the edge, and I have a fold on the diagonal side. I have a fold on the diagonal side. There. And do it again on the other side. There you go. There. Then let's press it firmly. Now there are 4 sides, so 2 more sides. There. See, it's already aligned properly on the other side, so when you fold it on this side, it's easier. See, it's already a dart flight. Now we have to use a double side tape to join all the sides, all the areas. I use 3M, almost a 1 inch width. That's a 1 inch width. 3M double-sided tape. I fold it 45 degrees like that, and you should have an old part of flight and measure it. So that's how you will know the length you should have. See? So afterwards, just cut it. There we have it. And then another one. I'll just cut it here. So I see. We'll send that. Okay, it's good. Now we place the it's up to you which side you want to use. You have it you want it decorated, then, or if you want the other side, it's a silver side. It's also beautiful. So let's use the silver side. Then put the uh, double-sided tape on the side where you want it to be. So this side is gonna be the inside of the flight. This will be the facade, face of the flights. So there. There you go. So I already cut two more while ago. I just place it. There you go. And another one. The last one. There. So I will place the double adhesive on the inner side of the flights. We will peel it off. There. There we go. Then push the center so it will fold each side. There. Other side. There. One more. There now. So this is how this will look like. Again, we press it firmly. There. See? Now, this is the old flight. So, we put it on the center, on one side. Just cut a side, on the right side. Just cut it on the right side. Like this. Oh, wait. I have to align it properly. There. There. And afterwards, you can take it off now. See, you have already shaped two sides. So, two more. Just open it and cut again. Now, isn't that beautiful? Just like your original flights. Sturdy. Hmm? Okay? Thank you.